Hey everybody, Chef Rick here. My family is at home. I was sent out this time to do the vlog for my first time. I'm so touched. Anyway, listen, this is Empire Gaming. He just got a new store. We're going in to see his grand opening. We are here in Longwood, Florida. He's getting a grand opening today. Let's go inside and see what it's all about. Basically, you walk in and this is it. This store is huge compared to his last store. So when you walk in and go off to the left, this is where you're going to find all of the GameCube and Nintendo games that you can think of over here. We have retro computer games and some old school Commodore games. Quite a library of Intellivision games if you still have an Intellivision. If not, he has them here too. Odyssey games down here. We also have a nice fine selection here of Atari games. One of my personal favorites, Popeye. We have a very nice library here of Nintendo 64 games. Including another personal favorite of mine, Road Rash 64. Huge selection of Nintendo SNES games here. Nintendo NES games. Serious old school ones. Including a personal favorite of mine as well, Duck Hunt. Still works and everything if you have the gun, and I'm sure he sells guns here too. One of my favorite systems in the world was the Genesis, and there's a nice selection of these too. One of the better ones ever. Sega CD as well, and Saturn. Continuing from the alphabetical side, the A side of the Genesis games.
These are also.
He now has a huge selection of Xbox One games. There's a few 360s in there as well.
Oh, I see.
Lots of Xbox One. And probably the biggest selection I've ever seen of 360 games over here. And as you can see, it still goes. It's a huge wall of them. Huge wall. Xbox 360 and Xbox games. You get some more of the rarer titles in here, I think. Encased in his glass. There's also a bunch of a bunch of Switch games, Nintendo Switch games here. Quite a few Nintendo Switch games. There's more Xbox One games right there. Man, it looks like quite a few more of these Switch games. Nintendo Switch games right here. Some really good ones. And then it moves on into the Wii U. Pretty good selection of those too. And then finally the Wii, which is a really big selection right here. Back up a little bit so you can see the whole wall of Nintendo Wii. Probably one of the best games ever is this one right here. Alright, and then we're moving on to the GameCube side. And he's got quite a few of these too. The Donkey Kong bongos from the Donkey Kong game. I don't remember what it's called though. And he's got some of the Guitar Heroes, guitars up here, including an Aerosmith one, looks like. And then over here, quite a few accessories from Nintendo 64 cables to VGA cables to Wii cables. He's got every cable you can think of right now, right here. All right, this is a huge, one of the biggest ones I've seen. A selection of Japanese games here. I'm not even sure what system these are for. Oh, looks like Nintendo. Could be the Famicom, I don't know. But we've got quite a few of them. Right here on this rack. All right here. Gamecube controllers. It connects to your Wii as well. We have 64 controllers. He's got almost all of them here. And if you are into collecting all of the Infinity, Disney Infinity game, I guess plates or whatever these are called, he's got them. And he's got a good selection of the figures as well. Or if you would like to trade them, you can come down here and trade them. He's all about trading. He's fair, very fair priced. Strategy guides here as well. I mean, very nice. And if you need game cases, he's got game cases here. Bunch of them, even for the Infinities. PlayStation 1 games here. PlayStation 2 goes on down the line. PlayStation 2. Over here too. And a few, looks like, Japanese ones as well for the PSP. 3DS as well, or actually just DS, not 3DS, but DS. He's even got old school organizers. Crazy. PlayStation 2 all the way down. And then we go into the PlayStation 3. Goes all the way down this wall. And then we end up at the PlayStation 4. Right here. And on the other side, he also still has more controllers, different controllers. He has old school TVs back here as well. This one looks like it has the Nintendo built right into it. Some of these games you can play. I don't think he's ready to be set up for that yet. And here's a lot of the old school systems right down here. Look at that, Ataris. There's an old school Atari right there. 7800 Atari. There's the 800XL. That's crazy. I haven't seen one of those in so many years. Some of these are not for sale, it looks like. It's displays only, it looks like. Right there. This might be the area where you can drop your systems off. He does also work on the systems. If they are broken, he will refurbish and call you back when it's ready. Look at that, GoldenEye, Reloaded, PSVR, and a huge Mario. Hello, Mario. AC adapters for every system and console you can think of. There's all the DS and 3DS games right here. It is quite a lot. Now he's got some brand new Skylanders in there too, still in the package. No, it looks like one of my favorite games, Dimensions. He's got those too. Skylanders as well over here. That's the man right there. There's more apparel.
Of course.
Alright, now that's cool. That's from Skyrim right there. I would totally buy that. And there it is. That was his store. Very nice. I'm glad and happy for him. That'll do it for the store. It's pretty big. Like I said, if you saw his new store or his old store, you would definitely see the difference.
Longwood, I'm Longwood City Mayor Matt Morgan with my fellow commissioners, Commissioner Matthew McMillan, Deputy Mayor Tony Boney, Commissioner Abby Shoemaker, and we are here at Royal Empire Gaming.
We want to say thanks to everybody that's always supported us and helped us get to where we're at now.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah!
Unbelievable. I love that store so much. Stay epic. Hit subscribe for more videos. Go to our channel and subscribe.